Number 1. 1978 Chevrolet K20 3/4 ton four-wheel drive, $2,000, Elk, Washington. This 1978 Chevrolet K20 represents the rugged durability of the late square body era from Chevrolet. Powered by a 350 cubic inch 4-bolt main V8 paired with an automatic transmission, this truck is described as turnkey and mechanically strong. The seller reports new front and rear brakes, new shocks, and a new 3-row radiator, along with a rebuilt Edelbrock carburetor. The drivetrain is a highlight, featuring a Dana 44 front axle with locking hubs and a 14-bolt full-floating rear axle, a highly desirable heavy-duty setup. The body does show rust consistent with its former use as a plow truck, but mechanically it appears solid. At $2,000 in Elk, Washington, this is an affordable work truck, hunting rig, or restoration base with strong mechanical fundamentals and a clean title. Number 2. 1949 Chevrolet 3/4 ton flatbed, $4,500, Madera, California. This 1949 Chevrolet 3/4 ton flatbed showcases classic post-war farm truck character. It features an upgraded 235 inline-6 and a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs but needs a tune-up, has a newer fuel tank, and minimal rust limited to a small rear cab area. Located in Madera, California, it's a solid restoration candidate offered at $4,500 with a clean title. Number 3. 1964 Ford F250 4-wheel drive, $1,200, Bigfork, Montana. This 1964 Ford F250 4-wheel drive project is a non-running but reportedly solid platform. Early 4-wheel drive F-Series trucks from Ford Motor Company are increasingly collectible, particularly unmodified examples. While this truck does not run and comes without a title, it is described as structurally solid, making it suitable as a parts donor or long-term restoration candidate. At $1,200 in Bigfork, Montana, it presents an inexpensive entry into classic heavy-duty Ford ownership, though title acquisition will be a consideration. Number 4. 1965 Ford Econoline short bed pickup, $3,400, Bellflower, California. This rare 1965 Ford Econoline short bed pickup is part of Ford's forward control truck lineup, known for its cab-over-engine design and distinctive 5-window configuration. 6-cylinder power and an automatic transmission make it an unusual and desirable setup for collectors. The truck does not currently run due to a disconnected fuel line, but is reported rust-free. It is out of the Department of Motor Vehicles system and will require a duplicate title process. At $3,400 in Bellflower, California, this is a compelling project, especially given the growing interest in compact 1960s vans and pickups. Number 5. 1956 Studebaker half-ton pickup, $4,500, Prineville, Oregon. This 1956 Studebaker half-ton pickup is a rust-free project with a straight body, an increasingly rare find. Produced by Studebaker, these trucks are known for their distinctive styling and limited production numbers. The frame has been repainted, with new brakes and shocks installed. It includes a motor core but no transmission, and the seller planned a Chevrolet V8 conversion. With new wheels and tires and boxes of parts included, this truck offers strong restoration potential. At $4,500 in Prineville, Oregon, it is a solid foundation for a custom or period-correct build. Number 6. 1980 Chevrolet C10, $4,000, Oakhurst, California. This 1980 Chevrolet C10 long bed features a 250 cubic inch inline-6 and a rare 3-speed floor-shift manual transmission for that model year. Square-body C10 trucks remain highly popular in the classic truck market. It runs and is described as a good restoration candidate, though it carries a salvage title due to auction purchase. Located in Oakhurst, California, and priced at $4,000, this truck offers a desirable configuration with strong aftermarket support and growing collector demand. Number 7. 1985 Ford F350 Dually, $3,500, Boise, Idaho. This 1985 Ford F350 dual rear-wheel pickup is equipped with the powerful 460 cubic inch V8 and a manual transmission. Originally part of a Pepsi delivery fleet, it includes a functional 1,500-pound electric liftgate. With 120,000 original miles and a clean title, it requires a rear main seal replacement and general maintenance. At $3,500 in Boise, Idaho, this truck represents a practical, heavy-duty hauler with vintage commercial appeal. Number 8. 1967 Jeep M715 military truck, $16,700, Prineville, Oregon. The 1967 Jeep M715 is a military specification 1 1/4 ton truck, originally built for the United States Army by Jeep. This example features a 454 cubic inch Chevrolet big block V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Previously restored, it reportedly has minimal rust, but needs brake and fuel system servicing to run again. It includes a power takeoff front winch, enhancing its utility appeal. At $6,700 in Prineville, Oregon, it is a unique military classic with strong off-road capability and custom power. Number 9. 1972 Chevrolet C10 long wheelbase, $6,900, Marble Falls, Texas. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 is a true survivor with factory 350 cubic inch 4-barrel V8 and a 3-speed column shift manual transmission. Equipped with power steering and power front disc brakes, it reflects the refinement of early 1970s pickups. Having spent over 20 years off the road, it has recently returned to service and retains authentic ranch patina and character. With solid structural components and included replacement panels, this truck in Marble Falls, Texas offers an excellent balance of originality and usability at $6,900. Number 10. 1987 Mazda B2000 SE5, $750, Santa Cruz, California. This 1987 Mazda B2000 SE5 compact pickup is a classic 1980s Japanese truck project. It has a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission, but is not currently running. The engine shows good compression and has a new fuel pump, though it needs head gasket, carburetor, clutch, and brake master cylinder work. Priced at $750 in Santa Cruz, California, it's an affordable project with solid potential once repaired. Number 11. 1981 Chevrolet K20 3/4 ton 4-wheel drive, $6,500, Central Oregon. This 1981 Chevrolet K20 is a mechanically refreshed square body powered by a 350 V8 with a new turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. It features rebuilt front suspension, new 35-inch tires, a Dick Sepek lift kit, Edelbrock carburetor, and LED lighting. The floors have been coated and sound deadened, and the truck carries a clean title with working 4-wheel drive. At $6,500 in Central Oregon, it's a solid, capable classic, ready to drive and enjoy.